I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use remote start on GMC terrain. Press the lock button, then press and hold the remote start button for 3 seconds to start the engine. If your terrain has the My GMC app, open the app and choose Remote Start to activate the vehicle from farther away. Always confirm doors are closed and the hood is latched before using Remote Start for safety and compliance. To use the key fob, first lock the vehicle and then press and hold the Remote Start button for 3 seconds until the lights flash. The engine should run for a preset time, usually around 10 minutes, and will shut off if the vehicle is driven or a door opens. If it does not start, verify the hood is closed, fuel is sufficient, and no security alerts are active before trying again. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice as a simple way to keep your terrain smelling great after those cool or warm remote starts. I find it keeps the cabin pleasant without overpowering the HVAC scent. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Open the My GMC app, sign in, and select your terrain from the vehicle list to access remote functions. Tap Remote Start and follow any prompts to confirm the action. The app will display engine status and remaining run time. The app can provide range and security alerts, and it works from beyond the fob range when your subscription and phone connection are active. Use the app for convenience and added information about your vehicle's state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.